Hi, hello, welcome, namaste, namaskara guys. Right now when I was just googling, I came across this very interesting company. It's called SP Robotics Work. So it's basically a edtech company, education technology if I say so, and they have courses in robotics where they have kits which help kids to build robots, walking robots using their technology knowledge skills. So it can be like a summer vacation or it can be on a regular days where they want to learn how they can build robots, learn about technology at this young age. I wish I could really do that because I was too much into technology, software, IT when I was doing my college schools couple of decades back, but I'm really envied that kids have that kind of liberty to do now, especially with brands like SP Robotic Work. I found out the website, what all they do, online classes, you can buy kits. I went on their website. They have the robotics summer camp happening 2.0. So I thought I should try out one of the kits which they offer, though generally it's for kids, but why not? I should also try it out how it works and all the good things they do across for kids, even CSR activities, how it helps parents, for especially kids to get into the technology space so that they understand all the mechanics and programming part of it now itself. They are like ready for the future. It also tinkers them to think out of the box, all of that, and they have been backed up by some really great people out there who are into the tech and education space. They won lots of awards, recognitions, great stuff by this company, the #1 platform for robotic learning worldwide as well. I thought I should check this out, so I thought Codey Inventor Kit is what I should try it out, and that's what I did. The activity kit has more than 100 plus activities you can learn. So you have classes. Once you buy, you get a login details, you log in and then you start learning. You can build using this kit like wall follower robot, light follower robot, firefighter robot, gardening robot, all types of things. So creativity is at your disposal, whatever you want to do. This is what you get inside the kit. You get all the products in that, how you can do it. Then all, like I said, just go to the website. Once you buy, you have a buy now option. Once you buy, you get the details, you create an account, go to the learn section, then you select kit or the course that you have bought, enter the order details number, and then start learning and have fun building. So this is one of the easiest way to build your creativity for your kids. Please don't forget, go check this out. You have various different courses as well. This is just one part of kit. They have multiple kits with multiple requirements that can be done. I'm just showing you an unboxing of the kit, what exactly my kit had inside, products and elements that can be assembled. So this is like a DIY thing. You can do whatever you think is comfortable for you. Giving you the link of the website, you can buy it, experience yourself, comment below.